Hello there. It's Saturday and I've had a few messages because I've been a bit missing. I've just been spending time with my children and spending time. Oh, look at this, we've got a drone. They're having loads of fun with the drone, right? We're at Grill's parents' farm and they're playing with the drone. So that's quite a good way to get the kids outside. It's working quite well for the last few days here. We've got some fantastic pictures. So what are you up to today? How are you getting along? How are we doing with dry January? Are we still going? Have you given up? If you've had a drink last night, it's what you do today that counts. So pick yourself up, remember your why, and visualize a brand new future for yourself. Because I never imagined that my Saturday morning would be so full of energy, actually. And I wasted so many Saturday mornings feeling sorry for myself and wishing things were different. And it wasn't until I took control and decided that I wanted and I deserved more. So if you're feeling like that, you know, pick yourself up and realize that there is another way to live your life. You can't change things in a moment. All right? So if you need help with that, then please reach out and I'll be back in touch with everyone very, very soon, replying to all my messages. Okay? Take care of me.